What's going on YouTube, TikTok, Crow Durden. Visit crowdurden.com. And we're just gonna how to refill the Zippo lighter, how to refill the Zippo lighter. We're going to refill the Zippo with the lighter fluid. Fill the we're just gonna fill the Zippo, or we're just gonna fill the Zippo. We're just smoking the Camel Original. So we got the Camel Originals. And what you wanna do is just get the Zippo, all right? You get the Zippo, you lift that. And then what you wanna do is you get the Zippo Premium lighter fluid, and then you just put it in there. Just put some in there. Close it. Put it back in. And we just put some more lighter fluid. Thanks for subscribing. That's how you fill the Zippo with lighter fluid. How to put the lighter fluid. Visit crowdurden.com. Smoking the Camel Original. We're just gonna smoke the rest of this cigarette. We're just gonna smoke the rest of the start. Camel Original. Tobacco, nicotine. It's got more of that tobacco taste. If you like the tobacco tasting cigarettes. If you smoke cigarettes, you might want to try the Camel Original. Then you can also try the Camel Smooth. Try those ones though. You can try the Marlboro Gold, Marlboro Reds, Dunhill, Benson and Hedges. You can try those ones too. Just finish off this ciggy. Maybe we'll just finish this ciggy off together if you're smoking. If you're smoking too. Just finish off this ciggy. Crow Durden on YouTube. Crow Durden on TikTok and Instagram. Visit crowdurden.com. We're gonna do other cigarettes. We're gonna do other cigarette reviews. Stick around. Visit crowdurden.com.